Welcome to ABC tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the body mass index. Body mass index, formerly called the Quetelet index, because the mathematician who developed this measurement scale was named Adolphe Quetelet, is a measure indicating the nutritional status in adults. It is defined as a person's weight in kilogram divided by the square of the person's height in meters. For example, an adult who weighs 70 kg, whose height is 1.75 meters, will have a BMI of 22.9 kg per meter squared. For adults over 20 years of age, BMI falls into one of the following categories. BMI below 18.5 is said to be underweight. A BMI between 18.5 to 24.9 is considered to be of normal weight. A BMI between 25.0 to 29.9 is said to be overweight. BMI value ranging from 30.0 to 34.9 is said to be obesity class 1 or mild obesity. Any adult with BMI between 35.0 to 39.9 belongs to obesity class 2 or moderate obesity, while BMI above 40 is said to be obesity class 3 or morbid obesity. BMI was developed as a risk indicator of disease. As BMI increases, so does the risk for certain diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, osteoarthritis, some cancers, and diabetes. BMI is also recommended for use in children and adolescents. In children, BMI is calculated the same way for adults and then compared with Z-score or percentiles for their age and gender.